In our next video, we are given 2 points, but not the slope. And so we're going to find the slope and then use one of our points to find our equation in standard form. So let's begin, as we learned, with our formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that gives us our slope. We can take either of these points in either order. We'll just go ahead and call this one the x1 and y1 coordinates, and the y2 and the x2 and the y2 coordinates. So we'll start with this side. We'll take, here's our y, -1 minus 2 over 0 minus -3 equals our slope. -1 minus -2 is -3. 0 minus 3 is -3. And so our slope is equal to 1. Since we know that, we're ready now to take one of these points and put it into our formula. We already know the slope is 1. So we'll say 1 is equal to, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this as my point. And I'll have y minus a -1 over x minus 0. That's why I chose it, because I like x minus 0. Our next line reads y plus 1 over x equals 1. If I multiply both sides by x to clear that denominator, that gives us a fancy 1. We have y plus 1 equals x, but we're not in standard form yet. We have to have our x on the left-hand side. X minus x is 0 over here. Nothing minus x is minus x here, plus y. We've got to get rid of the 1 here. I subtract 1 from this side, it's gone. 0 minus 1 is -1. We're still not in standard form. We have to multiply everything through by -1, or simply change the signs. And so that gives us x minus y equals 1. And we could graph this very quickly using the standard form. If x is 0, y will then be -y is equal to 1, or multiply through by -1, y would be equal to -1. So at 0, -1 is one of the points on our line. And if y is 0, x is a positive 1. And there's the formula for our line. X minus y is 1. Hope that helped.